2+2+100 formula?
Yeah, I think for example, around 1 year ago, the government said there's no consensus on the political reform. But around half a year ago, suddenly the government opened the gate, and then the central government allowed us to reconsider how to collect the ideas from the societies. And soon we have the 2+2, quote unquote, the dominant proposal. But I'm not very sure it's really dominant or not, because you may know that in the April in this year, there is research by Hong Kong University about the Macau survey on the political reform. And the survey result is very simple. Around only 45% of the respondents agree to put 2+2 proposal. And another 42% of the opinion said they want to have more direct elected legislator and no more other non-direct elected legislator. So I think the result is very clear. The 2+2 is not the dominant proposal over half, 50% of the, less than 50% of the societies take this
So you're saying that even though the government portrayed this proposal as the mainstream proposal, this is not mainstream?
Yeah, yeah. Another survey made up by a local New Vision Association of Macau, they collect another survey. There's only 59% agree the 2+2 mainstream, quote-unquote mainstream proposal. So I think it's clear that it's not the mainstream. Yeah.
So why label it mainstream? I mean, is this part of some kind of strategy?
I think the 2+2 is a very moderate proposal, and actually it may not make any change to existing power relations in the Legislative Council. But I think we should take another angle to look at this. The Macau societies, especially no matter the young people or the adults, they have a very mature attitude on the political value nowadays. For example, you may know that in this week, there are quite a lot of people made a phone call to the radio station and say they feel very frustrated on the pro-government association. They are very non-scientific way to collect the people's opinions. So I think Macau people now become more and more mature, and I think no matter the central government or the local government should have more faith on our people and less a free hand to have more directed elected legislator. I think it will be positive for the unequal power relation in the societies, and make more legislator coming from the working class people to voice out their needs.
Since the beginning, this public consultation has been under fire. I mean, it's been heavily criticized by several people in society. Would you say this was a fair process?
I think up to this moment, our government have some more better way to collect the opinion from the society. For example, in last several years, in many other public policy issues, our government employed the universities to make some scientific survey. It's very strange. This year, they did not do that. I think it's very strange. I think they have a lot of resources to do that. So I think we need to have more scientific way to make a fair and scientific survey to collect the real choice of the Macau majority people.
Dr.